Warfare in the Bronze Age was in many ways like a football match. You had multiple teams and they would compete against each other to score a victory, which would bring honor and
Well, what you need to understand is the Nile was like the Pacific Coast Highway of its day. It was a way to move people and goods, and of course, famous songs were sung about it.
the pyramids were a message. We are the masters of the Nile, and you will either comply or be destroyed.
Visitors to Nero's palace were literally blown away. A gust of wind would come sweeping down the hall and quite literally blow physically.
Cleopatra was the Taylor Swift of the late Roman Republic. She was ambitious, beautiful, and utterly ruthless. Ashurbanipal was in many ways the world's first modern politician. He made use of propaganda through his art, and he would have roads commissioned so that his armies could travel around.